If you've ever spilled something like oil in your garage, you know how hard it can be to clean up that mess. We used to use old rags, but then we'd have a pile of those greasy things to dispose of. So when I was sent a pack of absorbent pads by the brand FLASHDRY, I was excited to give them a try. And they're made to absorb and contain spills so that spill doesn't just keep spreading. The material they use is highly absorbent, so it makes them great at stopping that liquid spill from spreading. And here you can see some fresh oil spills on my garage floor. So I'm going to put one down on the oil, and then we're going to see what it does. So it's sitting on there. I'm going to give it a minute to absorb, or a few seconds. And then I'm going to just kind of pat it to help it absorb. I don't have shoes on or I would step on it. Okay, so let's see. Oh, wow. So it picked up. Look, it absorbed all that into the pad, left a little residue on the floor, just wetness, but no stain. So I'm going to kind of rub it and see if I can dry it up, wipe the rest of that up with a little bit of a swiping here. And there you go. Nice and shiny now, and that oil stain is gone. So I'm impressed. I think these are great. These would also be good for spills in the kitchen, like if you're doing a baking mix and you spill that batter, or really any kind of spills in a garage or work area, or any of those messy spills that you want something to absorb that spill real quick without a lot of mess to clean up afterwards.